I'm headed to the sizzling hot Fulton Market neighborhood in the West Loop, to a location that's a short walk from McDonald's headquarters, Google offices, a CTA stop, and a fabulous dining and nightlife scene for a walk through one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new 166. I'm a few steps from the elevator bank in apartment 907, a studio, looking east toward a great view of the skyline. A wall of floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades, turning into the open-plan living, dining, sleeping area. You have space for a home office desk with that great view out to the east. Set up with a queen-size bed and a walk-in closet with additional linens and bedding. It's a great room. It's bright. It's high ceilings, flat plank flooring extending throughout the space, and a great wall of windows. Kitchen has a breakfast bar peninsula, white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, designer pendant lighting, a French door refrigerator with an ice maker in the freezer, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and most important of all, we're in a Sweet Home unit. So you have a goodie bag with carbs and drinks to welcome you home. All the countertop appliances you're going to want. Cookware, dishes, glasses, cutlery, everything is here. All you need to do is bring your suitcase. Directly opposite the kitchen, we have a full-size front-loading washer-dryer and a pantry cabinet. Looking at the keyless front entry door, closet off to your right as you walk in, turning into the bath. You have a frameless glass door shower, vanity with drawers for storage, and a linen closet. 166 is pet friendly. Amenities include a well-equipped fitness center, an outdoor pool deck, co-working space, resident lounges with a demo kitchen and a gaming area, and a sky garden. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more furnished short-term apartments in Chicagoland and other locations. They're a sweet deal.